Hello and welcome to another video from the Mindful Rambler. We're out and about today. Castles, trains and trams. And I've got a special guest today as well, who is going to be my video editor or help me with my videos. So introduce you later. Be surprise guest. So let's see what the world has to offer us today. Onwards and upwards. The Scottish might be, just not for me. In comes now sitting and enjoying some raspberry bliss with my special guest. So I'm going to introduce you to my daughter Murren. He's also enjoying a smoothie. She's going to be the one helping with my video today. So we're down here just now, as you can see. That's the ocean. It's called Ocean Terminal. Enjoying a smoothie and about to get some food. She seems to be enjoying her smoothie a lot.
Yes, I am.
And she likes the camera.
I am. No, the camera likes me.
There you go. So, my special guest for the day will be back soon when we have our food. Although we won't be doing a food review. Well, we might. We'll see. Our food's arrived. We've got a nice chicken, cheese and tomato panini, and you've got a
chicken cheese pesto panini.
And a couple of nice smoothies that we've talked about before, and chips and salad. All looks very nice, so I'm going to get munching on that right now. See you in a bit. So you just So we've had lunch now and we've decided we're going to try the massage chairs. Let's see what these are like. Never used them before.
I'm also nervous. Like, I'm a bit like... Tap it.
Making sure that's working. Oh wow, that is quite strong.
It is.
Now we're having a massage on the massage chairs, which has got to be one of the quite an intense massage all the way up the back.
Squeezing my legs.
And squeezing our legs, yeah. Oh well, 5 minutes of this to enjoy. Oh, now I'm getting punched in the back. Oh wow. And it's squeezing my ankles.
It's really so tight.
Oh, it's like getting a hard Thai massage. Wow. Right, well, we'll enjoy this. See you soon.
So we have gone a lot massaging. It feels amazing.
Chilling.
For £1, 5 minutes, £1. It's so nice, I love it.
Well, that was an experience.
It was.
I thought it was just going to be like a vibrating chair, but it's not. It gives you a really good core massage. £1 for 5 minutes, that's well worth it. If you've never given these massage chairs in the shopping centre a go, give it a bash. Surprisingly good.
I highly recommend.
There you go. Highly recommend it. Plenty of boats and the Port of Leith distillery behind us. And now we're going to do a quick bit of a food review.
Food review.
So we've got some
mallow and marsh, dark chocolate over raspberry marshmallows. So, Father.
Thank you very much.
And these.
I do love raspberry dark chocolate, so I should love these. Oh yeah.
They're good.
Really nice. And a nice view too. All the way out that way. Another boat with a helipad on it. I'm liking these boats today. Anyway, cheers to the dark chocolate and raspberry mallow. A nice wee sweet treat. See you soon. So we're now outside the distillery. Very tall building. She'll do a tour of one day, but now yes.
Got candy kittens, like strawberry and apple flavour. So, here you go.
I'll try one, see what I like.
Sour.
Wow. Very apple sour.
Very sour.
Very, very sour. Quite nice, but do you like apple sweets? But they are very sour.
Yeah.
Enjoying them? Thumbs up, thumbs down. Yeah, we'll give them a thumbs up.
Recommend.
Recommend it again. And we're back on the tram. Just a bit of an education for you, we've found out today. If you're ever on, you ever have a card, like a, what do you have, Young Scots card, or a bus pass, you need to make sure you validate it first when you get on the tram. We've just received a telling off of the tram. See you later, tram. We're back up in Princess Street, and we're just finishing up the day, so say farewell and we'll see you next time.
Bye-bye. To
my new video editor, support, whatever you want to call them. So up on George Street, there we go, see you all soon, bye. So I've lost my video editor, so you're stuck with just me now. If you've ever thought about giving this a go, of course at the start it's going to be, it's off-putting when you are walking about the streets with a camera in your hand, people might look at you in a funny way. Thing is, as Mel Robbins say, all you can do is just let them. You know, if you want to do it, you do it. And as you get more used to doing it, you will stop caring so much about other people around you. You'll just focus on yourself. And of course, as you go on, you'll get better and better. As they say, practice makes perfect, although nothing is actually perfect. So if it is something you've thought about giving a go, just go for it. Get yourself a camera, give it a try. And it's also a great way to learn to stop being so concerned or worrying about what other people might think of you. Not just doing something like this, but in life in general. We spend a lot of our time not doing things because we worry about what other people might think. And doing something like this will give you experience, it will give you the empowerment to live a life for you. Just a little message there as we reach the end of today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. It's been a bit of a out and about day, having fun, sampling some different foods, seeing boats, trains and trams. And I'll see you all again very soon. This is the Mindful Rambler logging off after another day of experiences. Onwards and upwards.